In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to optimize your Squarespace site for mobile views. This will ensure not only a seamless browsing experience for your visitors, but also enhance the overall usability of your website. So, without further ado, let's dive right into it. First, let's navigate to the page editor. From your Squarespace dashboard, you'll want to locate your website and select the page you wish to modify. Look for the Edit button and give it a click. This is going to open up the editor, allowing you to make all the necessary adjustments. It's important to be in this mode because it enables you to visualize and tweak your site from a design standpoint. Now that you're in the editor, the next step is to switch to the mobile view. You can do this by clicking on the mobile phone icon, which is conveniently located in the top right corner of your screen. This will transition the display to a mobile format, giving you a more practical preview of how your site will look on smaller devices. Keep in mind that mobile optimization is crucial since a significant portion of web traffic today comes from mobile users. A site that is difficult to navigate on a phone can turn away potential visitors. With the mobile view active, it's time to edit the mobile layout. Begin by selecting a specific section you want to customize. This lets you focus on changes that enhance the layout specifically for those viewing on mobile. You may find that elements need to be repositioned to create a more coherent and aesthetically pleasing flow. This can be done by simply dragging blocks around. Squarespace makes it easy by allowing you to intuitively move items up or down. You might also notice up and down arrows that enable you to shift blocks either above or below their adjacent counterparts. Reordering elements can lead to a more logical and engaging experience for users navigating through your site. As you're repositioning, you may also need to resize blocks to better fit the mobile screen. Adjusting the size can help maintain balance, ensuring that no element appears too large or too small. This could make a significant difference in readability and user engagement. Finally, remember to save your changes. Once you're satisfied with how things look, locate and click the Save button. It's crucial to do this so that your hard work isn't lost. One important thing to note is that the modifications you've just made will specifically apply to the mobile version of your site, allowing it to offer a distinct and optimized experience separate from the desktop view. And there you have it, a well-optimized mobile site that offers your visitors a smooth and appealing experience. By following these steps, you'll ensure that your site meets modern web standards and user expectations. Always remember that providing a clean, easy-to-navigate mobile experience can significantly impact your site's success. Thanks for watching, and happy editing.